I've also observed with a lot of satisfaction that the speed of loading trucks with petroleum products has increased tremendously, especially after the commissioning of this bottom loading facility, which you can all see. That bottom loading facility has improved on our loading efficiency and reduced the time taken to load a truck, an export truck, by almost 20 minutes, which is significant, very, very significant. Going forward, we shall be putting up more of such facilities, the bottom loading facilities, not only in this installation, but in our other depots across the country.